So I want to make this video for anybody who got a 2014 Mazda 6 Touring. I noticed one day, like I guess when I was cutting the car on, my oil light flashed. I didn't think none of it. I went and checked my oil. I thought maybe it was low. It was black. But I noticed this sound when I turn and accelerate. It would make this rattling noise. So for anybody who get that noise when they turn and it sounds like a rattling noise when they only turn and accelerate both ways, left or right, you need to change your oil, basically. Because that's what my issue was. I had to change the oil. I couldn't figure out what the noise was. I hit the gas when I was turning left or right, and then to make this rattling noise, and I'll look it up online, try to figure out what it was, but nobody was telling me. I was only getting CV axles, and I just knew that wasn't what it was. So for anybody who get that rattling noise, if you turn left or right while you're accelerating, just know you need to change your oil and you should be good. And I'm out.